happened was true. The most bizarre and brutal series of crimes in America. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Even if one of them survives, what will be left? The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. After you stop screaming, you'll start talking about it. Rated R.
This is the movie that Rex Reed called the most horrifying motion picture I have ever seen. This film is positively ruthless in its attempt to drive you right out of your mind.
Sally, I hear something. Stop! Stop!
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. From New Line Cinema. Rated R. The story is true. The terror is real.
Sally, I hear something. Stop! Stop!
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. From New Line Cinema. Rated R.